Hi, my dear friends. Many people who keeps dogs and cats together asking how to keep litter box of cats out of dogs. I found solution and would like to share it with you. We were moving from one house to another and needed to keep cat away from escaping the house. So we bought playpen. Moving went well, but we discovered the playpen is great solution for many problems. First of all, our cat Marmora is eating on the third floor. Dogs couldn't reach her food. When the cage is closed, we place the soft blanket on the second floor, and this is her rest area. The first floor is the bathroom. It is always locked and keeps dogs safe from eating clumping litter. Marmora loves her private place. The playpen is always open, except the cases when we needed to keep her out of trouble. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. If you like this video, please subscribe. It will be more videos ahead. And like it. Thank you for watching.